CM Pro helps businesses optimize their processes in a number of different ways. First, it provides for them an excuse to record them. Oftentimes, businesses go about doing what they're doing and don't realize that they haven't really documented it. So the electronic workflow enabled forms inside of CM Pro provide a framework and a starting point for people to sit down and say, okay, how do we actually do this? And sit down in a room, and there are different ways to document it. They're formal and informal. You can use something as simple as a Word document, or you can have somebody flow it out in Visio. It really doesn't matter as long as you capture it. Then once you've got that captured, then you can use the process of turning that into a CM Pro workflow to help flesh out the details and make sure that all the steps are really clearly defined. You know what's going on at each point in the process, who's responsible for it, who has the authorization to say, yes, this is done, or yes, or this is actually authorized as it goes from step to step. It also allows you to define the kinds of information that need to be captured at each point in a process. So who needs to supply this? Where does it come from? What is required? What isn't required? Are there types of values that need to be, or is there types of information that needs to be automatically put into a process based on other pieces of values? You can have additional questions like, well, are there things that need to be done before we move on in the process? And if that's the case, you can utilize things like CM Pro's checklists. So lots of different opportunities for organizations to optimize their processes just by using CM Pro.